Tonight, you'll hear it again. That voice that says, "Not now." Later? Just one more scroll? Most people think discipline means fighting that voice every day. But here's the secret. Discipline isn't a fight. It's a setup. It's a system that makes the right thing the easy thing. In the next minutes, I'll give you a simple blueprint to become consistent without waiting to feel motivated. Let's start with the truth. You don't fail because you're weak. You fail because your life makes quitting easy. So we're going to change that. Here's the discipline blueprint. Step 1. Pick one goal. 1. Not 5 habits. Not a full life reset. One action that matters most. Choose one. Work deeply for 25 minutes a day. Train 3 times a week. Walk every day. Sleep at the same time. Eat one simple rule. One goal. That's your anchor. Step 2. Make starting stupid easy. Most people set big goals, then they avoid them. So shrink the start. If your goal is deep work, your start is open the document, write one line. If your goal is the gym, your start is put on your shoes on and step outside. If your goal is reading, your start is open the book, read one page. Your goal is not finish. Your goal is to start. Step 3. Fix your space, not your mood. If your environment is full of triggers, you will lose. So use this rule. Make good habits easy to reach. Make bad habits hard to reach. Want to focus? Phone out of the room, only one tab open, full screen, timer on. Want to stop junk food? Don't store it at home. Put healthy food in front. Make the bad option annoying. Your space is stronger than your willpower. Step 4. Use one powerful sentence. If this, then that. This is the fastest way to act without thinking. Write your if-then rules. If I sit at my desk, then I start a 25-minute timer. If I want to check my phone, then I take one breath and go back. If I finish lunch, then I walk 10 minutes. If I get home tired, then I put on workout clothes. Simple, clear, automatic. Step 5. Plan for the moment you always fail. Don't plan for your best day, plan for your worst moment. Ask yourself, when do I quit? For most people, it's this. They feel discomfort, they feel bored, they feel slow, and they escape. So use this rule. When it feels hard, make it smaller. If I feel resistance, then I do 10 seconds and one tiny action. 10 seconds, one line, one push-up, one page. That's how you beat the quit voice. Step 6. Lock it in before you change your mind. Decide before emotions show up. Examples. Book a class. Train with a friend. Use a website blocker. Work in a public place. Set a deadline with someone who will check. You're not trying to be strong. You're making quitting expensive. Tracking is fuel. Put a calendar somewhere you can see. Every day you do the habit. Mark an X. And if you miss a day, follow one rule. Never miss twice. Now here is your 7-day plan. Day 1. Choose your one habit. Make it clear and measurable. Example, deep work for 25 minutes. Day 2. Choose your time and place. Same time, same place. Example, 8:30 a.m. at my desk. Day 3. Make the start tiny. Define the 2-minute start. Example, open the doc and write one line. Day 4. Fix your environment. Remove distractions. Add friction. Phone out of the room. One tab. Timer ready. Day 5. Write your if-then rules. If I sit down, then I start the 25-minute timer. If I feel the urge to scroll, then I take one breath and go back. Day 6. Add a simple tracker, calendar, or notes. 1 X per day. Rule, never miss twice. Day 7. Review and upgrade. What blocked me? What made it easy? one small change for next week. Because discipline is not a personality, it's a machine you build. And once the machine is built, consistency becomes normal. Here's your challenge. Pick one habit. Make the start tiny. Fix your space. Write your if-then rule and run it for 7 days.